Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on a Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. And to do this, first we'll need to locate the slot, which is right there. Now take the SIM ejection tool and stick it inside the gap right here. And inside we have one SIM slot for sure. And I think this device doesn't have the dual SIM slot. We're gonna try to insert the second one right here. But no, there's only one SIM slot on this device, but I can't confirm this device does have the eSIM slot, so that you can insert the SIM card with eSIM settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.